Open Pack Manager 4 and browse categories like backgrounds. Click Import, and it downloads into After Effects. It drops into your composition. Jump to the Buildings category and import an element, and it stacks on top as its own layer. Every asset is a ready-made animation, so it lands in your scene already cut out and moving. Head into the Face category and grab a beard the same way, straight from the library. It layers right onto your collage, with no cropping or masking needed on your end. Browse food and drinks and drop a croissant into the mix as another layer. Keep pulling elements from any category to build out your scene, piece by piece. Everything's already animated. Just place it on the timeline, then press S to adjust the scale. Resize it so it sits right in the frame, with all your layers stacked together. Select and arrange your layers to fine-tune where each element sits. Then preview, and your whole collage plays, every element animating on its own.